Welcome to BTAG Innovation. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the Black Ice Hammer. This finely crafted tool is meticulously designed to enhance your blending and opening processes. The Black Ice Hammer features interchangeable tips, allowing you to adapt to various tasks with ease. Whether you need precision with the sharp tip, versatility with the rubber tip, or coverage with the large tip, this hammer has you covered. But that's not all. The length of the hammer is adjustable, providing you with even more flexibility. Simply reverse the handle to achieve your desired length. Sharp for meticulous tasks, rubber for broader strokes, and large round for extensive crowns. The Black Ice Hammer is your all-in-one solution. Thank you for joining us on this journey of innovation.